Hi everybody, welcome again to another video class. This is Miss Fran, and today in our craft activity class we're going to make something very fun. We are going to create leaves like these ones. And you say, Miss Fran, how can we make leaves if leaves fall from the trees, like in autumn or fall? Well, for that we only need two ingredients: coffee and water. So, as you may see here, I'm going to use a white piece of paper, a marker, coffee. For this, you need to ask the help to mommy and daddy, okay? We need water, an empty container. It could be tiny, it's okay, and a paintbrush. So, in the first step, we're going to take the paper. If you want, you can start like folding it. It's okay if it's not perfect because it's all about the wrinkles. This is very fun. Can you show me how you do it? Super! Let's keep doing it. Okay, good. When we unfold the paper, it's going to look something like this. And this is what we need for our perfect leaves. So, now what we're going to do is that we're going to take the marker and we're going to make the shapes of the leaves. We can make this one that it's very simple, like this, and a little tail. Good job. And maybe we can also make one of these. Remember that every time you don't know how to make something, you should ask for the help of your mommy and daddy, because they're going to be very happy to help you with all your works. Okay, so you can see here that I have my two leaves. I'm going to put the marker on a side, and now I'm going to take the empty container and we're going to add the coffee and the water. So for every 2 spoons of coffee, 1, 2, we're going to need 1 of water and full 1. This could be teaspoons of water. So here we have our mix, and then we mix it a little bit, and it's going to be like coffee, but let's not drink it. It's for work. So once it is liquid, once the coffee is very blended and mixed with the water, we're going to take some with the paintbrush and we're going to color our leaves. It's okay if you go over the line, because then we're going to cut them. So you can trace lines. If you want some leaves that look a little bit pale, not so brown, you can add more water. So we're going to make one with our first mix, and then we can add some more water for the second. So this is how it looks, the first leaf. And it's very, very brown. So now if you want, you can take more water and pour it into the mix. Remember, this time it is okay if we go over the line. Wow, looks great. Okay. So, can you see the difference of color between these two leaves? This one is a bit darker, more brown, because we didn't put a lot of water in the mix. And this one we put 2 extra teaspoons of water, so it looks clear. Now we need a pair of scissors. Here it is. And we're going to cut them. Of course, at home we need to leave it a little longer, maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes before you cut them. And we will go over the lines. So this is our first leaf. And remember to mark first your paper, otherwise if the paper is wet, the marker won't work. Wow, it's going to look amazing. Okay, so here we have our original leaves, and this is how they look. They look a bit old with wrinkles, and they look brown because in this station, remember that the leaves go from green to brown, sometimes yellow, red, among other colors. And here I made more to others, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put them in our fall box. So remember that these are the things that I can see, I can taste, and smells like coffee. I can smell as well. So if you want also, you can put a little wool. You can make a little hole, and with a yarn you can make lines, and we can put them also in the whiteboard. So I'm going to see how they look, and I will be waiting for your works. So have fun.